Why do our customers prefer BK Korea? Let's check. The stainless body can be used for protection of the machine from any damage. The top container is helpful to make snow continuously. The funnel can be used for changing flavor at any time. New design touch-sensitive buttons are best option for control the machine. The machine is totally air-cooled, and no need for a water cooler. All the models, qualified international certifications. The machine does not require any water connection, which is perfect for kiosks and stores. The water cooler wastes double electricity, and take big space. BK Korea manufacture the machine in local voltage and HZ. No extra cost to buy voltage transformer. BK Korea, your reliable business partner.